Hello all, welcome to the mission related to Employee Comfort Survey on Well-being during COVID. The objective of the mission is to help you understand different components of business technology platform with respect to analytics, the integration with SAP and non-SAP data sources, on how to federate the non-SAP data sources more effectively for real-time reporting, and finally, how the serverless runtime such as SAP Kima helps us with the data flow from SaaS solutions such as Qualtrics into SAP HANA Cloud. Consider the scenario where the organizations in the current COVID-19 pandemic is trying to engage their teams to stay motivated, to understand the factors that may impact employees' productivity, their well-being, and finally, the business decisions related to operations such as office reopening. As a part of this discovery mission, we provide an analytics solution on business technology platform, which will give you a unified view across employee surveys expressing their sentiments towards working from home and analyzing the COVID-19 outbreaks in different parts of the country where employees are located. We visualize the blended data with SAP Analytics Cloud, and we make use of spatial analytics for further analysis. As mentioned in this scenario, we federate the COVID outbreak data from Google Cloud Platform and by making use of BigQuery. The dataset is uploaded every day in the public datasets hosted by Google Cloud Platform. You can schedule jobs within BigQuery to update your JSP project. Thereby, the data will be automatically federated into SAP HANA Cloud. Employee data can be federated from your existing SAP systems, or for this particular use case, we provide a sample dataset which you can import it in HANA Cloud. For employee surveys, we use a productive instance of Qualtrics to distribute employee surveys, then consume the APIs provided by Qualtrics to replicate the survey response data into HANA Cloud using SAP BTP Kima runtime, which is a fully managed Kubernetes runtime based on open source project Kima. We will containerize the Python application, which will replicate the real-time response using Dockers, and then deploy it in SAP Kima. And finally, we will expose the application as an API, thereby using it as a webhook in Qualtrics. To replicate the survey response data into HANA Cloud, you can also use other PaaS solutions from hyperscalers too. In these missions, we have used App Engine from GCP. You can deploy the same code which we provided as part of this mission in the App Engine, and you'll be able to replicate the response real-time into HANA Cloud. Once you have all the data federated and the survey response data replicated in HANA Cloud, we will use Business Application Studio to build data models and expose them to SAC for real-time reporting. Once you have completed the developments on Business Application Studio, the data models such as calculation views will be deployed on HANA Cloud. You will then create a live data model connection to SAP Analytics Cloud for visualizing the data models. Here on the screen, you can see the federated COVID datasets from Google Cloud Platform BigQuery, which provides the confirmed COVID cases across US. And then you see the number of employees in your organization, either by federating your SAP systems, or you can use the sample dataset provided as part of the mission. And here you see the number of employees who took the employee survey and expressing their sentiments. For further analysis, you can drill down to a specific state, in this case Atlanta, and once you select the state, you should be able to see the data which varies specifically for that state and the number of confirmed cases in Atlanta and the number of employees over there who took the survey. So the data changes accordingly as you delve in. We have used just one metric, but of course you can improvise using other metrics such as using the public datasets for running time series on COVID use cases for the past 6 months, or comparison of the cases from 2021 to 2020, and so on. Hope you enjoy the mission and understand the benefits of business technology platform. Thank you.